Thank you, Janice. The Supreme Court ruling overturning Roe versus Wade. It's having all types of impacts across the country. It's expected to be a major influence in the upcoming midterm elections. Here in Florida, voters will vote on the office of governor and several races for Congress. News4JAX reporter Jim Pickett is joining us live from the Supervisor of Elections office to see just how this decision could energize voters on both sides.
Well, you know, Kent, in little less than 2 months, we're going to see that primary here in Florida. And of course, the abortion topic is going to be a big issue. Been talking to people about that. Some say it's going to really bring people to the polls. Others disagree. The passion over the Supreme Court decision is evident, with protests this weekend, including those in favor and those against. But I was asking voters, will that passion carry over to the upcoming election?
Unfortunately, I don't think it's going to change any voter's opinion, as bad as that might sound. The Democrats kind of have had a lot of mistakes, and the Republicans have had a lot of mistakes.
I heard that from several people downtown, but the answer from local party leaders is quite different.
Well, we've seen that this issue has traditionally not been something that people have paid attention to, particularly with Democrats. But I think now that it's real, now that the Supreme Court has made this ruling and now it's illegal in about half the country, it is a lot more galvanizing for our side because we understand the importance of why this right is so important.
We reached out to the Republican leaders today as well, and they say it will bring more of their voters to the polls.
Oh, absolutely. Republican voters are excited. Look, we're the party that's pro-life. We defend life, and this is a great victory.
Well, and as they look at it as a victory, do you think it's going to bring them to the polls then?
Absolutely, but I think they were already planning on coming. This is just going to make sure that they're there and more stridently.
News4JAX political analyst Rick Mullaney says he does see this as more of a draw for Democrats.
This is potentially advantage to the Democrats in a number of ways. First, to motivate the base and to get people out to vote. But second, reframing the debate for November, away from inflation, away from crime, away from some of those other dominant issues to this issue, which is a very important issue, particularly for suburban women, which is an important constituency. One thing to keep an eye on, do the Republicans overplay their hand?
With the various supervisor of elections office, well, here in Jacksonville and the surrounding counties, asking if they've seen any kind of uptick in voter registration as a result of this. They say, you know, it's a little bit too early to tell at this point, and they're not sure what to expect. For now, we're live downtown. Jim Pickett, Channel 4, the local station.